dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got tips, some of us don't. Big nose contours, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in a video, bro. Wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty in my eyes.
Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit sent over from Ashimary Hair. Now, I want to say it was either my last Ashimary Hair video or either the video before that. I don't know. In one of the two of those videos, I was talking about how I wanted to try just one of their, regular, schmegular 1B units. And lo and behold, girl, they sent me one. Today's unit is a 250% density, 13 by 6, 26-inch body wave unit. And girl, I've already straightened her and she looks so good. Now granted, because she is a body wave unit, of course I'm gonna curl her, but I just want to wear her straight, low-key, high-key. This is how Miss Girl is looking. Of course, I did go in, shampoo, condition her, and then I also did let her air dry. And then like I just stated, I did go ahead and straighten this unit. So far, she feels really nice, thick, and full. I mean, of course, she is 250% density. But as you can see, I keep running my fingers through this unit, and so far, I am not getting any shedding. Now, I'm saying that right now because as much as I love Ashimary, their units do tend to shed. As you just saw, I just kept running my fingers through her right now. I was running my fingers through her when she was on the mannequin head, and I have had very, very, very little shedding. I mean, maybe 2 or 3 hairs. That's it so far. The cap construction for this unit comes with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, 2 in the front with 1 on each side. It also comes with adjustable straps here in the back. Then it's also a 13 by 6 lace parting space. As you can see with that 13 by 6 lace parting space, it's like a true 13 by 6. Like, girl, look at all that lace. Yes, we love to see it. This unit did not come with pre-bleached knots, and honestly it's okay because the knots are pretty small for the most part, but knowing me, I probably will go in and like bleach the knots after I wear it. Maybe not. I don't know, we'll see. As far as the hairline is concerned, this unit does look like it's been pre-plucked, and it looks like it's been pre-plucked pretty well in my opinion, which I can appreciate because then that's one less step that I have to do. I have never said this before, but this wig is too big for my head. So if you are someone who is on the bigger head side, you have a lot of hair, maybe even if you have locks possibly, this might be the one for you. Like, yo, this wig is low-key too big for my head. And so now I gotta figure out how to, I'm gonna use the adjustable straps, but okay, let's keep going.
He making me thicker. Rob his heart, this is a sticker. I can't be falling in love with a nigga. Pockets so small, they got bigger. You did me wrong, what I do? Acting a smoochie when I'm off the liquor. Showing my thumb, going cool. Throwing it back and I watch him get bigger. Baby, I watch how I move. Bitches, they see me, don't know what to do. Like, baddie, I let him out move. Nigga, munchie, he eat me like food. Yeah, he eating it up. Kitty on water, he beating it up. On fire, heating it up. Bitches be dirty, I'm cleaning them up. Give me a tissue. Why would I miss you when you was the issue? Don't wear the shoe if the shoe doesn't fit you. Only around me when it's beneficial. Stop texting my phone. Nigga be feeling like leave me alone. Back in my zone. Don't want the feelings, I just want the gun. Daddy, he making me thicker. Rob his heart, this is a sticker. I can't be falling in love with a nigga. Pockets were small, they got bigger. You did me wrong, what I do? Acting a smoochie when I'm off the liquor. Showing my thumb, going cool. Throwing it back and I watch him get bigger. Throwing it back with it right in his face. He like how it tastes. He grabbing my waist. Got him itching to stay. He the bank and I'm making him chase. I'm a baddie, I'm having my way. Nigga, I'm munchy so we cannot date. He a eater, I'll make sure he ate. No, you can't have your boo back. If I'm shooting my shot, he gon' shoot back. I'm on his head like a do-rag. Shitting on bitches, I do that. Shitting on bitches, my hobby. Body's too crazy, they all on my body. Like, all on my body. All on my body. Daddy, he making me thicker. Rob his heart, bitch is a sticker. I can't be falling in love with a nigga. Pockets so small, they got bigger. You did me wrong, what I do? Acting a smoochie when I'm off the liquor. Showing my thumb, going cool. Throwing it back and I watch him get bigger. Daddy, he making me thicker. Rob his heart, bitch is a sticker. I can't be falling in love with a nigga. Pockets so small, they got bigger. You did me wrong, what I do? Acting a smoochie when I'm off the liquor. Showing my thumb, going cool. Throwing it back and I watch him get bigger.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Ashimary Hair. I'm gonna keep it short, sweet, and simple. This is probably the best Ashimary unit that I've ever reviewed. I have no cons when it comes to this unit. The hair is soft, smooth, and silky. When they said 13 by 6, baby, they meant 13 by 6. I have parting space, of course, from here to here, but also from here all the way back to here. That's pretty much the crown of my head. When they said 250% density, baby, they meant 250% density. She is not like overly thick, but she is very full. But at the same time, she's very lightweight. Like, this is my favorite unit from Ashimary thus far. The fact that this unit is too big for my head makes me so happy. If you can tell, I don't know if it's picking up on camera or not, but it is rippling a little bit right here in this area. So I probably should have like stretched out the lace a little bit more, but I don't know, I was just so scared. Like, I didn't want to mess this unit up because I just felt in my heart she was going to be my favorite and one of those ones that I knew I was going to wear on repeat. I know somebody's probably out there watching this video thinking, girl, this unit is supposed to be body weight. Where are the curls? Now, I said it at the beginning of this video. I plan on wearing this unit in a straight state. So when I did go in and curl the unit, number one, I used a 1.5 inch curling barrel. So I didn't want like a curl, like a tight curl. I wanted, you know, just a little to it. If I wanted a curl to this unit, I would probably go in with a 1 inch curling barrel, and on top of that I would either use a wand curl to curl her, or I would probably cut layers into this unit just so you can see the curls more. As I stated earlier in the video, most of the time with Ashimary units I am going to get some type of shedding. So far I'm still not receiving any type of tangling or shedding, which I can't lie, I'm just very impressed by this unit. The lace on this unit is melted really nice. At first I was a little bit scared because she was looking a little bit on the gray side to me, but I just went in with like the rest of my foundation that was on my foundation brush. Just went on top, and now she's blending like so well. Yeah, I really don't have too much to say about this unit, but you guys can let me know your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. Thank you to Ashimary for sending this unit over for me to review. It is truly appreciated. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.